what is the HTML, how to learn now. To learn HTML, start with foundational tutorials. Practice creating simple web pages and explore resources like online courses, interactive tutorials. Focus on understanding HTML elements, text attributes, and program more complex features like tables from an advanced HTML5 elements. Now here and now proceeding. I start with a basic. Begin by understanding the fundamental of HTML, including document structures, elements, attributes, and basic tags like handlings, paragraphs, and links. Number second, now use a simple text editor for learning. Process a simple text editor like a notepad, PC, text edit, make good starting points, otherwise you focus code itself. Number third, create a web page. Practice creating web page using HTML starting with a simple example and critically increase complexity. And learn HTML editors and tools. How to learn HTML now? Basically learn and earn. Now explore online resources and HTML elements. Learn about elements. Practice with projects and explore advantage HTML5 features. Now overall, now hashtag, now ASP, H1 to HP, and P paragraphs, headings for the H1 to H6, and paragraph and P, list URL and tables from more. So start now. Firstly, now simply, what is the HTML? Okay, what is the HTML? So this is the only bit mandatory theories order to begin to write HTML, else you know what are you writing HTML language which most websites are written. HTML used to creative pages and make them fundamentals. Now HTML is the language in which most websites are written. HTML used to create pages, make them functional. The code used to make them visually appealing is known as software. Now, the history of HTML. HTML was first created by the Berners-Lee, Robert Childers and others starting 1989. It stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and hypertext means that document contains links that allow the reader to jump to other place in the document or another document or that. The latest version is HTML5 markup language. The way to computer speak to each other, control how text is processed. The printer to do HTML and two things as attributes. Now this is the introduction video. Okay, how to learn HTML is the lesson first, and I will teach you lesson first to lesson 100, and you learn everything HTML. Okay, now what are the text attributes? Text and attributes are basic of HTML. They work together but perform different functions. It worth investing 2 minutes differentiating the code. Alright. And what are the HTML tags? Tags are used to mark up the start of an HTML, usually enclosure, and examples h1, h1 to open, h1 close. Open is now this is open, and close symbol, this is close symbol. Okay, now close and open. Okay, now you can learn, you can write down, you note down this HTML complete details. Note down in your book HTML attributes, contents, additional pieces of information, attributes, tag from, opening, tags, additional info, each place inside. Now, for example, this one. Alright, now golden rules, remember now this. HTML editors. Now that we gotten basic theories out of the way, it's time to learn how to build first website. First of must have the right tools. Most important, we need HTML editor. Now Sublime Text 3. This is the coding. Our tutorial assembling text line, two platforms supporting Linux for this. 1. Pros, cons, notepad++. Okay, now this one 3. Pros, easily customized, beginner friendly, and placement colors, schemes. Now cons can't print document or code, not toolbar, text available. Now most available in the most popular the notepad++. Not common, no choice, HTML language, notepad++. Think programming, download and perform functions, need to write and clean codes. This is the clean codes. You can take the screenshot on your smartphone and your PC. Alright, now this is the show. I will show the complete details. You can look and learn now. Creating your first HTML web page. This one. Okay. Creating your first HTML web page. First of to open HTML's clean white page, which to write your code. Basic connections, HTML pages. Okay. So type HTML, open, head open, body open. Now this is the code. Now head, title open, meters, head text codings, this one. Okay, you can take the screenshot and pause the video and write down now in your notebook. And adding content, body open, complete details. Now begin. Okay, creating your heading. Welcome to my page, welcome to my page, welcome to my website, for example, man. Okay, now this is a symbol basics. How to add links in the HTML, the Azure tag. Simulating in formats, this one. Okay, this is tables. Now next lesson.